Hey freelancers and future digital ninjas. Welcome to Global Freelancer Academy. Today we're diving into something short, literally, link shortening. What are those tiny links doing in a big digital world? And where are they headed in 2025 and beyond? Let's find out. Once upon a time, URLs were like bad jokes, too long to get to the point. So came Rebrandly, Tiny URL, and others, squeezing long URLs into something cute like bit.ly/3LOL-click. But now, short links are doing more than saving characters. They're saving your brand, tracking clicks, and avoiding spam filters. All right, time to shorten the future. Let's look at what's coming next. Forget bit.ly/XYZ. The future is go.globalfreelancer.com/offer. It builds trust, it looks professional, and let's be honest, it sounds cooler. Short links now come with more data than your Spotify Wrapped. We're talking device type, geolocation, and even time of day trends. Soon they'll know when you're most likely to click, even before you do. In the future, one link could take a US user to your website, a Bangladeshi user to your Instagram, and a mobile user to your app, all from the same URL. That's not magic, that's smart redirection. Scammers love short links, but the future link shorteners will fight back with previews, encryption, and automatic scam filters. Because no one wants to click bit.ly free iPhone 99 and end up with 3 viruses and a broken heart. So what does this mean for you, the freelancer, the marketer, the side hustler? Use branded short links to stand out and earn trust. Track your traffic. See what works and what doesn't. Automate with tools like Zapier. Auto-generate short links when you publish. And of course, don't use shady links. Your audience deserves better than click and pray. Here's the TLDR. Short links are now smart. Data is power. Trust is everything. So shrink wisely. If you found this link worthy, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your favorite link shortening tool in the comments. And remember, in a world full of long URLs, be the short, smart one. See you next time on Global Freelancer Academy.